Hi everyone, welcome to ExcelMandarin. In this video, you'll learn how Chinese tenses work in just 5 minutes. First, super important, in Chinese, verbs don't change form. That means no conjugation. Yeah! So, how do we know if something happened in the past, is happening now, or will happen in the future? We use small words and time words to show time. We'll learn 5 patterns. Simple tense, completion 了, experience 过, in progress 在,正在, and future 会. Take a breath. Let's go step by step. 1. Simple tense. So, when do we use it? For habits, routines, facts, schedules, or any time the time is already clear. The form is super easy. Subject, verb, object. That's it. 我不喝咖啡. I don't drink coffee. That's just my habit. 去年我每天都喝咖啡. I drank coffee every day last year. Even though it's last year, it was still my routine, so we just use the simple form. 2. Completion 了. Now, let's talk about completion 了. 了 is used to emphasize that the action is already completed. The form is subject, verb, 了. Think of 了 as a little completion flag after the verb. 我喝了咖啡. I drank coffee. The action is done, finished. Now, how can we say I didn't drink coffee? Maybe you are thinking, 我不喝了咖啡. Nope, that's not correct. Here's why. To say didn't do it, we use 没有 or 没. And remember, 了 means the action was completed. But if you didn't do it at all, then there is no completion. So, no 了 here. Can you try it again? 我没有喝咖啡. Nice. 3. Experience 过. When we use verb 过, the focus is on experience, whether you have had the experience or not. The key here is experience, not whether it's completed this time. Important. 过 must go between the verb and the object. The form is subject, verb, 过, object. Positive experience. You have done it at least once. 我学过中文. I've learned Chinese. Maybe 10 years ago, maybe when you were little. Doesn't matter. The point is, you have the experience. Negative experience. You haven't done it yet. Let's try. I have never drunk coffee. Remember, we use 没有 or 没 to say didn't do it. So, we start with 我没有喝. Do we need 过 here? If you don't use 过, you are just saying I didn't drink. Like if someone asks you, did you drink the milk? The 过 changes it from a general expression, did you, to an experience, have you before? So, the sentence is 我没有喝过咖啡 or 我没喝过咖啡. Quick tips. 过 is all about experience, not completion or result. 过 always goes between the verb and the object. 4. In progress, 在 or 正在. We use 在 verb or 正在 verb to show that an action is happening right now. It can also describe what was happening at a specific time in the past. 正在 is a bit more formal and really emphasizes that the action is in progress. But otherwise, they are the same. 我现在正在喝咖啡. I'm drinking coffee right now. 昨天晚上6点我在看书. I was reading at 6 p.m. yesterday. Now, one common tip is don't repeat 在 before the verb if you already used 在 for location. Okay, think about how to say I was reading at home at 6 p.m. yesterday. I'll give you 5 seconds. 昨天晚上6点我在家看书. 5. Future 会. Now the last one, super simple. 会 will. The form is subject 会 verb object. 我会学中文 I'll learn Chinese. 我明天会喝咖啡 I'll drink coffee tomorrow. A tip here. If the time is already clear, you can often drop 会我明天喝咖啡 Negative form for future. To say won't do something, use 不会 verb. 我不会去学校 I won't go to school. Remember, 不 is used for now or future, while 没有 is for past actions. So, in short conclusion, simple tense, we use it as habits or routines. Completion 了 action finished this time, and in negative sentence, we use 没 or 没有 verb. Experience 过 focus on experience, and in negative sentence, we use 没有 verb 过 object. In progress 在正在 action is happening with place 在 place verb. No double 在 future 会 This one is easy. It literally means will for future tense. Okay, that's it for today. If you'd like more practice, click the link in the description below. And if this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye bye!